Namaste. Let us go ahead and see a very nice stretch for the lower back as well as opening up the hip joints. So first start with the kneeling posture. Now keep your left hand towards the left side and the right leg. You can slowly lift it up and hold the ankle. After holding the ankle, push your hip forward and try to straighten your elbow and keep pushing the leg up as much as you can. Balance here, engage your core. Keep gazing at one single point. So this stretch is going to give a very nice balance to your body. You will improve your balance and you are opening up your hip joints and expanding the chest. So this is going to help you to breathe in more oxygen. Slowly relax. Now you can hold this posture on each side for 30 to 35 seconds or whichever time is comfortable for you. Thank you.